Welcome, future math champions. Today, we are delving into the SAT math like we are decoding the secrets of the universe. I mean, think about it. Math isn't just a bunch of numbers. It's a backbone of reality. And the SAT, it's not just a test. It's a portal to show the universe your intellect. Let's unlock it together in only a few minutes. Question 1. Linear equations meet philosophy. A train leaves station at 60 miles per hour. Linear equations. But isn't life itself just one long equation? Balancing variables we barely understand? Solve for x. They say, but isn't x, in essence, our destination? Here's the math. 2x plus 3 is equal 15. Solve that and think of how finding x is like solving one step of your life's journey. Spoiler alert, x is equal 6. But why stop there? Every straight line you find can connect to the infinite. Let that sink in for a second. Question 2. Geometry or the blueprint of existence. A triangle with angles A, B, and C, where A plus B plus C is equal 180 degrees. Now, think about it. Triangles are the simplest shapes in the universe. The pyramids, molecular structures, pizza slices. Coincidence? I think not. Here is the show to handle. SAT triangles always start with the Pythagorean theorem if it's a right triangle. But hey, while you are calculating, remember the universe itself is shaped by these simple principles. Question 3. Statistics. Numbers don't lie, or do they? The average of a set of numbers is 25. If two more numbers are added, the new average becomes average. That's just the universe's way of balancing chaos and order. To solve this, find the sum of the first numbers, add the new ones, and divide. But remember, in real life, no one's average. So when you're asked, think, are you solving these SAT problems, or is this SAT problem solving you? Warm up, connecting it all. So you have just unlocked SAT's math sections. Not just the answers, but the essence of mathematical existence. The lines, the shape, the probability, they are everything. You are not just preparing for a test. You're preparing to navigate a world structured by these invisible laws. Take these tools, ace your SAT, and redefine reality on your terms. After all, math isn't hard. It's just the language of the stars. Every word is spoken with boundless energy, intellectual fervor, the occasional pauses for dramatic effect, quick but precise drawings flash across the screen, graphs, diagrams, even whimsical doodles of triangles turning into pyramids as the character talks about the universe. Cosmic visual or mathematical grids appear in the background to reinforce the grandeur of these simple problems. Thank you very much for watching this video.